and welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today, our topic is a very interesting one. We want to explore some simple, natural ways that you can get rid of and stop your mouth from becoming dry. Having a dry mouth can make chewing and swallowing difficult, and most of the time, a dry mouth is nothing to worry about, but sometimes there can be an underlying reason why your mouth would go dry, and this would have to be dealt with. There are some simple natural things that you can do to stop your mouth from becoming dry once you identify the cause. So let's explore some of the causes of dry mouth, and then we would move on to these natural remedies that can help get rid of and stop your mouth from becoming dry. One of the main reasons why your mouth will become dry is when you are dehydrated. That is when you don't drink enough fluids, especially water, when you sweat a lot, when you are ill. There are some medications also that can cause a dry mouth, and these include antihistamines. Examples are loratadine, cetirizine, and chlorpheniramine. These medications can make your mouth go really dry. Other medications also that can make your mouth dry include decongestants, for example, pseudoephedrine, some antidepressants, and some anti-anxiety medications. So the point to note here is that anytime you're prescribed a new medication by your doctor, make sure you read the patient information leaflet so you know how the medication works and if there are any possible side effects that can develop with taking the medication. You can also develop a dry mouth when you breathe through your mouth whilst sleeping, and this would normally happen when you open your mouth whilst you're sleeping or when you have a blocked nose. Other causes of dry mouth include anxiety, cancer treatment such as radiotherapy or chemotherapy, and some medical conditions, for example, diabetes. Smoking tobacco can also cause a dry mouth. Now, to get rid of and stop your mouth from becoming dry, here are some simple natural home remedies that you can practice. If you're dehydrated, get some water to drink. One of the best ways to know that you're dehydrated is to check the color of your urine. Once your urine changes color and is no more clear, it means that you might be dehydrated, and this would call for you getting some water to drink. Drink plenty of water and sip water at regular intervals to keep your mouth moist. Keep some water by your side during the night. So when you wake up during the night and you feel some dryness in your mouth, you can sip some of it. Avoid drinking excessive amounts of caffeine-containing drinks such as tea and coffee during the day, as well as spicy and salty foods, as these can make you develop a dry mouth. One other simple thing that you can do to stop your mouth from becoming dry or to get rid of a dry mouth is to chew sugar-free chewing gum, as this can increase saliva production in your mouth. If you smoke tobacco, then it is time to give that up as well, because as I said earlier on, smoking can make you develop a dry mouth. You can visit your local community pharmacy for advice and help on how to quit smoking. One important thing to note is that you're more likely to develop a tooth decay when you have dry mouth. So it is important that you keep your teeth and your gums clean. Make sure you brush your teeth at least twice a day. You can also visit your local community pharmacy to purchase a saliva replacement product. These come in the form of gels, sprays, tablets, and lozenges. But make sure you speak to your pharmacist so they can recommend the right product for you. It is also advisable that you make an appointment with your doctor so they can have a thorough check of your mouth when you have used the home remedies and the dry mouth is not going away. When you're struggling to eat regularly, when your mouth becomes red, inflamed, and is bleeding, when you lose your sense of taste or smell, because there could be an underlying condition that would have to be dealt with. I hope this video on how to get rid of and stop a dry mouth is beneficial. Please don't go without giving it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our educative content. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.